welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Wednesday, August 4th. Rolling down the week. Midway through. Let's get started today before I get into our astrological forecast by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, all the darkness flowing right out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light that fills our entire body, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all toxicity back to its source. While we're in the space of white light, connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Leo affirmation. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We're going to say it together, and then we're going to stay in this space of white light, connected to our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together now. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Yay! So we made it midweek. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. Well, the energy is shifting just a little bit. There's nothing major going on, so we can all take a deep breath. But we do have an energy change for the moon. So today at 12:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the moon is going to be void of course until 2:17 p.m. today when it goes into Cancer. So this is Eastern Daylight Time. So here comes my void of course speech. In between the time of 12:38 p.m. and 2:17 p.m. today, Eastern Daylight Time, if you don't have to start any new projects or sign any contracts, don't do it. The reason for this is that the moon has made its last connection in the sign of Gemini, and there's no friction or any connection moving it forward. So it's just kind of drifting out there until it gets into Cancer at 2:17 today. So if we start a project, if we sign a contract, it's going to follow that same energy, just kind of drifting out there, not going anywhere. So if we can avoid it, wait until either before or after those hours to start or anything new or to sign any contracts. Well, now let's talk about 2:17 today when the moon goes into Cancer. Cancer is the moon's home sign. So this energy is just very full and embracing, and we're really coming from this space. It's a space of finding our safety and security within ourself, within our relationship, within our home, and within our environment, our job, our career, all of that. We're not interested in expanding, trying new things, not during this time. We are looking at securing what we have on all of those levels, or doing what we need to do to secure what we have on all those levels. Now, if we are not using this energy and its positively, it's going to look like us trying to control or manipulate a situation because we're just not feeling safe and secure. So if we're feeling the need to control somebody or something to feel safe and secure, check, self-check, what is that all about? This is also the energy about boundaries, so important. With the moon in Cancer, sometimes we are so attuned to each other's needs, or each other's feelings right now. Boundaries become fluid, and they may cause some issues if our boundaries are violated. So be aware of that and make sure that we are setting healthy boundaries for ourselves. What that might look like is, let's say, because this is also a very codependent energy, I am codependent, I know all about it. So that's the codependent energy, is that we need to be needed. So understanding that about ourselves, we find channels to express that need in ourselves. I need to be needed. I'm doing this channel. I'm fulfilling that need within me. I used to work in an office, and I was an advocate for our clients in the healthcare field. I needed to be needed there. I was able to channel that energy. If we are not channeling that energy in a healthy way, it does turn into control and manipulation. It turns into, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need right now. I'm going to give you some advice right now. No, you didn't ask for it, but I'm going to tell you anyway because I think I know what's best for you. That is so codependent. It's not funny. Watch out for that if you find yourself going down that alley. It's also a time that, again, if we're using this energy negatively, this safety, security feeling, we may feel ourselves wanting to hoard, to make sure that we're feeling lack, evidently, if we're hoarding, and we're feeling insecure and unsafe. So we start, we go and hoard all the toilet paper from the store again. Or we see a BOGO and we BOGO 10 times or something like that, hoarding all this stuff that we don't need right now, but we are afraid we are coming from lack. So we are storing all this stuff up to feel safe and secure. And news for us, safety and security, that feeling doesn't come from stuff. It comes from feeling safe and secure within ourselves. So if we are seeing any of that going on today, then it's a good time to check in with self and with higher self. Do that meditation, take those 3 deep cleansing breaths, stay in that space for 5 minutes, and see if we can get to the bottom of why we are so fearful and why we are concerned for our safety and our security. Also today, be aware, because the moon it makes a lot of different connections today, but they tend toward somebody or something trying to take our power. We're back to manipulation and control again. We're back to deceit, deceiving us. Or it might come from a perspective of being very righteous. And if you don't do what I want you to do, then you're going to hell or something like that. That is going to be prevalent today. So don't let anyone take our power. Don't let anyone compromise our values, our ethics, and our perspectives. So stay strong, but stay kind. So that's the energy that we're working on today. on a positive level, it's a great energy just to be at home. It's a homey energy, and it's not about going out to the finest restaurant in the town. It's about having a good old home cooked meal with your friends, family, with your lover, your significant other. It's about just being close and together and feeling safe and secure in our homes. So that's the focus. And if we're seeing any of these negative attributes, it is an opportunity for us to take a closer look and see why we aren't in touch with our abundance. What are we feeling? What are we feeling? What are we fearing? Because abundance is our divine birthright. The only one keeping us from being abundant is us. So if we're feeling shaky, if we're feeling fearful in the next couple of days, Wednesday, today and tomorrow, it's a good place to start, to take a good look at what could be going on for real. Okay, here we go with our advice for the day. Dream thief, refusal of the call. Who's out there? Who's not grabbing that opportunity? That's been offered to them. Stars in the sky, limitless possibilities. That's a good one. Caterpillar, opportunity. Okay, I see it. Do you see it? I see it. Opportunity. We'll start with the last one. Some of us have an opportunity staring us in the face. I'm here to tell you it is not an ordinary opportunity. It is not an opportunity that we are used to, that we are comfortable with, but it is an opportunity that excites us and excites our creativity. But we are refusing the call. We are refusing to take a risk on ourselves and to embrace this opportunity. Now, if we're still feeling shaky about it, we need to sit down with higher self and work this out now. Do it today. This opportunity is meant for us. It's going to help us find our bliss. It's limitless possibilities if we grab the ring of this opportunity. The whole universe is going to open up for us. But we have to get past our fear, and we have to get past our lack and our lack of faith in ourselves to get this done. So, Spirit is saying, get it done, take that opportunity, take a chance on ourselves today, now. Woohoo! Let's do it! Okay, have a great Wednesday. Don't let anyone take our power, including giving our power to old, outmoded ideas and perceptions of ourselves that are not allowing us to move forward with this fantastic opportunity that is dangling right in front of us. And don't let anyone take our power. Don't compromise ourselves. But we always have to remember to be kind, because even though we don't agree with the other perspective, we have to honor it. Everyone has a right to their opinion, even though ours is right. No, I'm just kidding. Have a great Wednesday. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. That's 2 words, Soul Sister and then Cat. And if you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. And I learn a lot from your comments, so keep them coming. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Make it a great Wednesday. We're halfway through, baby. Namaste.